News 4, home of forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
All right, well, our temperatures today may not have you thinking about ice sculptures. We're, headed up in the mid-60s.
9 degrees where Kim was there, so she did a great job talking through frozen cheeks.
Right.
But close to 80 degrees by the weekend, so, I mean...
This roller coaster ride continues,
all
folks.
over the place. Today's November 1st. Let's look ahead to what happens in a typical November. Now, our weather over the next few days is going to be atypical, but over the next 30 days, our temperatures do tend to drop off. About a dozen degrees off of our average highs and about 9 degrees off of our average low. So on a normal morning, we're waking up close to freezing by the end of this month. Just over 4¼ inches of rain for the average month of November. We'll get some of that over the next few days. And of course, the daylight hours get shorter. We lose 47 minutes and we lose an hour of daylight on the back end of the day beginning this weekend when we fall back. But at least we get that extra hour of sleep. Look outside right now on the Forewarned Live radar. All the National Weather Service radars put together as well. One area of rain moving off to the north, another one taking shape down to our south, and we're going to steal some of that as we head into the late afternoon and evening hours. But for right now, there's not a lot happening out there. Some showers near the Tennessee River, a few sprinkles around Metro Nashville and up and down I-65, but nothing that really warrants an umbrella. Let's take a look at Futurecast and take you through the afternoon and evening hours. Not much now, but more scattered showers are in the forecast as we head towards late afternoon, but breaks here and there. So it's not going to rain everywhere all the time. Keep the umbrella handy even if you don't need it right now. If you're heading out for any Wednesday evening plans, I think the same advice applies there too, because we're going to see the clouds sticking around with those showers just off and on throughout the day and over the next several days for that matter. A lot of cloud cover out there. The sun has been trying to peek through, trying to warm us up, and it's had some success. Also, the winds have turned out of the south. That brings the warmer and somewhat muggier air into place. It's weird to talk about humidity on the first day of November, but here we are. Mid-60s in Nashville right now, 64 degrees in Columbia and Tullahoma, only mid-50s along the Tennessee-Kentucky state line and into Kentucky itself. But that's going to change. The southerly wind's going to bring that warmer air farther to the north as well. Temperatures not warming up a whole lot from here. 68 degrees for an official high temperature in Nashville expected, but that's a couple degrees above average, with more showers moving in. And those will be with us throughout the evening. We're talking about all rain showers. It's the month of November, so we got to always kind of specify what we're talking about here. Temperatures are going to be in the low 60s, though, so no frozen precipitation anytime soon. You'll definitely realize that once you see the 7-day forecast in just a second. Let's pick things up where we left off. Midnight tonight with some scattered showers still around. Now, tomorrow, there's going to be a lot of cloud cover, but it's still going to be very warm. A few peaks of sunshine here and there, with spotty showers to start the day. But as we head through the day on Thursday, those showers more or less take a break. It's going to be real hit and miss activity. It's not going to be as high a rain chance as what we're going to see later this afternoon and into this evening. And even then, we're talking about some gaps. Better chance of actually hearing some rumbles of thunder heads our way by late Thursday night into Friday. So I think it's more likely you're going to wake up to some wet roads Friday morning. But even then, it's going to be a scattershot pattern. The better chance of actual storms developing will be as the atmosphere warms up, which it definitely will. So you see a little more activity here. It looks a little bit angrier on the radar simulation. That's the chance of thunderstorms, but right now severe weather does not look very likely. We'll keep an eye on things just in case. Look at these temperatures. We go from the upper 60s today, which is, as I mentioned, above average for early November, to the mid-70s tomorrow. Low 70s Friday, mid-70s Saturday, close to 80 degrees on Sunday. And then another round of showers and thunderstorms heads our way on Monday. Eventually, some cooler air is going to head our way, but probably not till the middle of next week. So a lot of clouds over the next several days. It's going to look gloomy, but at least the temperatures are going to be toasty. We'll keep you updated on the rain chances here on News 4 and on the iHeart radio stations throughout the day and throughout the weekend as well.